Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality and create the life you have always desired? It's not just about making changes, it's about unleashing the full potential of your existence. Hey there, it's Rifat, and today I'm excited to unveil 5 game-changing strategies that will completely revolutionize your life. Let's dive in without wasting any time. First up, embrace change. Change is a natural part of life and an incredible opportunity for growth. Open yourself to new experiences and perspectives. Whether it's trying a new hobby, traveling to a new destination, or meeting new people, stepping out of your comfort zone is key to personal development. Next, set meaningful goals. Identify what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, like your career, health, and personal relationships. Break these goals down into actionable steps and write them down. Regularly review your goals to stay on track and measure your progress. Third, cultivate new skills. Dedicate time to learning something new, whether it's a language, a musical instrument, or a professional skill. This can boost your confidence and open up new opportunities. Continuous learning is essential for staying competitive and adaptable in today's world. Number 4, adopt healthy habits. Prioritize your well-being by incorporating regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep into your routine. Good health is the foundation of a productive and fulfilling life. When you feel good physically and mentally, then you are more equipped to tackle your goals. Lastly, number 5, improve your financial health. Take control of your finances by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and setting savings and investment goals. Pay off high-interest debt and build an emergency fund. Improving your financial literacy and discipline can provide security and open up more possibilities for your future. Finally, a bonus tips, which is celebrate your victories. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for the milestones you've achieved. This will motivate you to keep pushing forward and striving for more. Celebrating small wins can make the journey to your big goals much more enjoyable. So, there you have it, folks. These are the powerful ways to change your life completely. The key to transformation is consistency and commitment to your personal growth and well-being. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment box below, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on transforming your life and boosting your finances. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Goodbye.